Hi, everybody, and welcome to Law of Allowing Cacao Ceremonies. My name is Emily Yael, and I am going to be answering the question that we get asked most often, which is, what is a cacao ceremony? So, a cacao ceremony basically involves drinking ceremonial grade cacao prior to going into various modalities such as a sound bath or meditation or Reiki or movement or yoga. It's really anything that you want it to be. If you're doing cacao ceremonies on your own, it's going to be whatever your intention is, and it's going to help you have a little bit more clarity, a little bit more mental acuity. Whatever it is that you're wanting it to be, you're going to be able to go a little bit deeper with the cacao. The cacao is basically chocolate in its purest form. It is a superfood. Ceremonial grade cacao usually comes from either Guatemala or Ecuador or Peru or anywhere that is usually within 20 degrees of the equator. We find that the cacao with the highest vibrational content is produced by Keith's Cacao. They are the only cacao that we use in ceremony or for any other reasons or any other purposes. Again, we believe it to be the highest vibrational. It has been tested against all of the other major brands. It has a much higher theobromine content and a much lower caffeine content. As a matter of fact, a cup of Keith's Cacao has the lowest amount of caffeine in it and has about the amount of caffeine as a decaf cup of coffee. The other properties that make ceremonial grade are definitely the highest proportions in Keith's Cacao. And like I said, it's the one that resonates with us the most. And after having spent a week down in Guatemala and working with Keith, there's just no question to it. I'll leave it at that. And also, I invite you to go onto our website, again, cacaoceremoniesny.com, to read about all of the health benefits of cacao. It is staggering, and the medical reports that you can find online out there to support the heart health, the brain health, diabetes. It's staggering. It's incredible. And you can read all about that online and on our website. So let me get into what we do at Love Allowing Cacao Ceremonies in one of our ceremonies. Whether you're online or in person, we basically start off after you sign up. We'll, about a day or two before the ceremony, we will contact you either via phone or messenger and talk to you and discuss what are your intentions for the ceremony. What are you looking to release if there's some kind of resistance, or what are you looking to attract in your life, or are you just looking to have a beautiful connection and peaceful experience? And we also discuss with you what your experience has been with cacao, if you've ever had a cacao ceremony before, and just help you understand what to expect a little bit more in the ceremony. Um, Once you come to the ceremony, we will start off by drinking cacao. And it is not necessary. You don't have to drink cacao. We will definitely tailor the amount of cacao to your needs and what you're feeling into and what we're feeling into with you. And then we follow that by going through our intentions, sharing our intentions, and also my husband will do an oracle card reading, my husband Garrett. And he is, oh, hi, sweetheart, welcome. This is one of our little babies that we have here. Um, and yes, we're oracle cards. Yes, oracle cards. So my husband will do an oracle card reading for everybody, for each person, and one for the group. For those who aren't familiar with oracle cards, it's basically a single card that is an answer to whatever's going on in your life right now. Any kind of question that you may be having inside um, is channeled by your higher self, and it provides an answer. And it really is startling how accurate they can be. And most people are really loving them and continuing on to do full readings with my husband. So we're very, very grateful that he does that with everybody. After that, we'll go into some breath work and some movement just to get everything flowing. It helps to increase the flow of energy in the body. And then after that, what we do is everybody will settle down. You can either lie down or you can sit up. And we go through a full Reiki treatment process. So a full Reiki clearing and sound bath. On the online ceremonies, the sound bath is a little abbreviated just because the sound does not carry through on over the internet. But when you come to one in person, we use all of the crystal bowls and our regular bowls, rain drums, other drums, and then also we have music that helps tune in each chakra and helps the flow of energy come through. And even online, we use the crystal bowls as well. It's just that we don't have them continue. It'll be more coming off like that. And we do have music in the background that will play through and help guide us through the Reiki treatment. The Reiki session lasts for about 40 minutes. And then what we'll do is we'll take a 5-minute break for everybody. We'll offer a boost of cacao if you want. And then we'll go into a guided meditation. And the meditation is very free form. I just kind of channel what the intention is for the group, and it will also be based on whatever the theme is for that particular cacao ceremony. Meditation can usually last anywhere from about 30 to 45 minutes, and we'll definitely be tuning in to the group that is present either online or in person. And then once the meditation is done, if you're here in person, we usually offer a little sustenance, a little food, and go into an integration. So everybody will be able to have a chance to share their experience. If they have any questions or if anything came up for them, we'll be able to continue the process and help them work through whatever might have come up for them. And basically we go until everybody feels complete and whole, and we will also follow up with you if there's something that comes up a day later or a day or two later. We will always be available for follow-up. And that pretty much is what a cacao ceremony is with us at Love Allowing Cacao Ceremonies. I really look forward to either meeting you in person or online for a future ceremony. You can ask us questions anytime you want. Our email appears on the bottom. We are very available, and this is definitely something we love to do and love to share with people. So I look forward to meeting you online or in person, and have a most beautiful day.